Hi Dunbar.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Okay. So good morning. How are you? Everybody
Namaste.
fine?
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. I would like to tell you the name of the mountains. I would like to begin from the left to the right. Yeah. At the left there are many names. People say Gorja Himal. Also people say Butterfly Mountain or Putha Himal. However, Butterfly Mountain. However, there are many Dhaulagiris. Dhaulagiris 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to begin from like 7, 7, 6, like countdown, right? And Dhaulagiri 1 is the tall one, the big face, which is 8,168 meters.
My battery's dying, by the way.
Okay.
No, just
Okay, above sea level, and then after that you go to Tukuche Himal,
okay.
Tukuche Mountain, and then some mountain nearby the Tibet borders. And here is the Nilgiri South. Nilgiri has three tips, three mountains. So Nilgiri North, Nilgiri Center, Nilgiri South. We're seeing Nilgiri South, and here is the Baraha Sikar. And Annapurna 1, which is the 10th highest in the world, is very much steep. We can see on the top after the Baraha Sikar. Anyway, they are joined together. And here is the Annapurna South, which is 7,219 meters, and then the Hiumchuli, which is 6,400 meters. And the small peak at the bottom you see is the Gandharvachuli, and you see the big one with the two tips, a fish tail.
Oh yeah.
That is the fish tail, or Macha Puchre in Nepali name. And after fish tail, a little bit lower, black, the round top you see is the second Annapurna, the Annapurna second. You go further down, the big with the icy, a lot of snow, is the Lamjung Himal. And you go further down on the horizon, you see the Manasulu range. Manasulu has also three mountains. Manasulu 1 is the 8th highest mountain in the world, which is 8,164 meters, something like that, very much close to the